Using the menu option Ledger Bank Reconciliations, we can mark items within a bank account as being presented at the bank. So here we have our bank account with unmarked items, and we can just double click to show those items that are now being cleared on the balance sheet. And notice as I double click that the bank statement uncleared values change, so that we can reconcile to the bank statement, whether it be online or a piece of paper. If we have an item on the bank rec which is not in the account, for example small commission charge, bank interest, etc., we can click Sundry Item Journal, enter the value of the transaction, and then allocate it to an account. Here we're just going to put it to general expenses, admin, for bank interest charge, for example, or bank commission. We can click OK. It is posted to the ledger and it gives us our ledger number, and at the same time it will appear in this window, and so we can immediately mark it as cleared and agree our bank statement. If we want to look at presented items, then we put the tick up the top, open the window, and now we can see our cleared items. And if we wanted to unclear an item, we could just double click it, and that would open it back up as being uncleared by the bank. If we wanted to do auto bank rec from a statement downloaded off of the internet, say a CSV file, we click auto bank rec, select the format that we will be using, and then the file that we are going to match against, click OK, and it does the auto bank rec as much as it can, depending upon the values and reference numbers within the system and downloaded from the web. And then it presents items that are uncleared, i.e. items that it could not match. So you will then have to manually mark these against information within the bank account. Then come back in here and manually delete them, so that this folder is or file is reduced to 0 lines.